Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Sunday the 16th of February 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable. And let's start off with the Euro, where you can see after a very bearish week the previous week, it has continued its bearish bias, falling below the previous swing low at the 108.80 area and targeting the 108.00 level. We can actually move this to show the extension from this move back down past the 100 fib and targeting the 107.41 level with this reversal move. If we move this to this doji on a shorter intermediate swing, you can see that it's approaching the 162 fib extension area as my other analysis for Euro, and then there's a 200 fib extension area at the 107.23 area, so about 20 to 25. That could be a potential target as well, other than the 107.41 level. So we'll see. We'll leave it as this swing low, as it was the break of the most recent swing low here, and this is now at the previous support, and it's now potential resistance. And there is support here at the 108 level. As well as the 107.41 level. So we'll see where it's able to find support over the next couple of weeks. Alright, now let's take a look at the cable. And after finding support from the weekly 55 EMA, just above the 78.6 fib retracement level, is managed to climb back up above the 130 resistance zone and above the previous swing high as well. So let's mark this as resistance again, and we'll see whether this break holds and find support and a bounce higher. So we can either leave this as resistance or change it now to support because it has closed above that, but for now we'll leave this as resistance because it was a pretty strong area of resistance before, and we'll see whether it's able to hold as resistance as it consolidates and pulls back, or whether it's going to be a convincing break and move higher. Alright, but yeah, for now in the short term, there is a strong support level from this swing low area here at 129.06, as well as the 55 period EMA. Right. It still has quite a way to go to climb back up to retest this previous swing high around the 131.60 to 70 area. So we'll see how the price action is for next week. But on the weekly chart, it is above the Kumo, so it is still bullish in the longer term. On the daily time frame, it's just right back up into the daily Kijun Sen and trying to clear that and trying to break through a thin area of the Kumo, which should not be significant resistance, but it needs to get back up to 131.40 zone. So for now, it's trading with between this daily 55 EMA right at the 130 area, and we'll see whether it can climb up to the 131.40 area, 40.41. All right, so do check out my other videos on Euro, Cable, and Aussie dollar, as well as spot gold and dollar yen. And I'll follow up midweek on Wednesday on the daily analysis. Meanwhile, have a good trading week and cheers.